Hey guys, this is Aman from GyanDhan. Today I'm back with a video on one of my favorite topics, SBI Abroad Education Loan. We are going to talk about India's biggest education loan, a specific product, SBI Global Ed-Vantage loan scheme. What is this scheme? Who is this for? Arguably, this is the best education loan option out there, and we are going to talk about it in details one by one in next 5 to 7 minutes. Let's start with the core benefits of this scheme. The first and foremost is the interest rate. Arguably one of the best interest rate in the market. The second is the moratorium period. In the moratorium period of this scheme, you don't have to pay anything to the bank. Your repayment starts after you graduate. The third is higher chances of approval. Fourth is longer repayment period. You get one of the longest period to repay your education loan under this scheme. Last, the tax benefit. The interest that you pay to the bank, you are co-applicant or you don't have to pay tax on that amount to the government. Now let's understand in more details. So you will be eligible for this scheme when you are applying for a loan amount from 20 lakh to 1.5 crore. So if you are applying for an education loan below 20 lakh rupees at SBI, you will not fall under this scheme. What is the interest rate? The repo rate keeps changing, but as of today, the lowest interest rate that you can get is 9.05%. This is assuming you will be eligible for a couple of concessions that the SBI offers. What is the processing fee? Only 10,000 rupees plus property valuation charges. Property valuation charges varies from location to location, but should be somewhere around 10,000 rupees only. Repayment period, you get up to 15 years to repay this loan. Moratorium period, which we talked about earlier, you get study period plus 6 months as the moratorium period. During this period, you are not supposed to pay even a single penny to the bank. Your repayment will start after the completion of the moratorium period. Margin money. So in SBI, there is a concept of 10% of the margin money. That means that, let's say if your overall expenses is 50 lakh rupees, then the bank will fund up to 45 lakh rupees out of that. 5 lakh rupees you will have to fund yourself. What are the expenses covered? Every expense related to your abroad education is covered, including laptop, flight tickets, books, or even to eat a burger when you are out there. I hope you have noted down all the product details that we have talked about. Now let's talk about process. At times, people are skeptic about applying for an education loan at public sector banks because of the image that it may take longer for you to take the education loan. First of all, that's not true. Public sector bank has improved a lot, but even if you're a skeptic, GyanDhan has brought foolproof solution for you. It starts with you applying or checking the loan eligibility on our website, the link to which is available in the description below. When you check the loan eligibility with GyanDhan, you will first get to know instantly whether you will be eligible for the loan or not. So once you check the loan eligibility on GyanDhan website, an education loan counselor will be assigned to you, who will call you to discuss your education loan option. If you are eligible for an education loan from SBI, they will start your application, or else will give you other options that are available for you. Now, to start the education loan application at SBI, the first step is that you receive an email from GyanDhan to fill an SBI education loan online form on our website. Once you fill that, information goes to the SBI portal through an API that we have with them, and your application number gets generated at SBI. Post that, depending on which cities you are in the major cities, our representative will come to your home, will pick up the documents, then go to the lawyer, get the property evaluated, and get the collateral prepared in the condition that it needs to be to get the loan sanctioned, and submit it at the processing center of the SBI. Please note that till this point, you don't have to go to SBI branch for anything. If you are not in one of the major cities, in that case, our virtual loan counselor will help you out with all of this one by one, but virtually. Once the file is submitted via us or via directly, depending on the location, post that will push the branch managers or the concerned person at the SBI to give the decision as fast as possible. There are internal turnaround times that we have set. If the file process that, we can escalate it to the head of education loan in SBI to get your education loan approved on time. Usually, after the entire document submission, it takes 8 to 10 days to give you the decision. The document submission should include the property evaluation report as well. Now, once the loan is sanctioned, post that, you will have to sign an agreement with an SBI. You will need to understand so many things that will be written in the agreement that our team will help you understand. Once everything is clear and you are comfortable with the loan agreement and the format of the education loan sanction letter, which by the way you will be needing for your visa interview, then we'll go ahead with the next steps and get you the education loan sanction letter and the agreement signed. Once that is done, post that, whenever you need the money, you need to start the disbursement process. Please note, the disbursement process also takes time, and you should not be waiting for the last minute to get your disbursement disbursement. You need to let us know at least 10 to 12 days prior before you're planning to get the actual money in the account, so that we can prepare your disbursement request accordingly. So your relationship with GyanDhan is not only till the point we are getting a loan approved or sanctioned, but till the point you repay the loan. So your relationship with GyanDhan will go for a number of years or beyond if you need any help after that. So why should you apply for an education loan with GyanDhan? I'm sure by now you have noticed so many things and so many benefits, but let me list it out for you. First and foremost, this entire health counseling is free of cost. Even if you're coming to your home to pick up the documents, that is also free of cost. Second, we will ensure there are no delays, no roadblocks in the process, and you get the seamless education loan that you deserve. Third, if there are any discrepancy at any point in time, you can ask our escalation manager to talk to somebody senior at the bank, specifically even in the case of SBI. Fourth, the documents that you need specifically for your case. Usually banks require different set of documents from different learner depending on the location of the property, and we'll help you out with the exact list of documents that is required at the start of your process, so there are no to and fro in the process. At last, we'll ensure that you get the best education loan with the excellent experience with the comfort of your home. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, do share it with the other people who are going abroad and are looking for the loan. If there are any question that I have not answered in the video, feel free to put it in the comment section below.